Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You want to stop ads fast? First, update and open the YouTube app, then sign in with the account that will control playback. If you plan to use YouTube Premium, confirm the subscription or trial under Account Purchases. Once done, make sure your TV and remote are paired. Without signing in, you can't use skip buttons tied to your account. If you use a cast device, sign into the same account on the controlling phone or tablet so ads and skips sync properly. During playback, watch for the skip ad button. Press it as soon as it appears, typically after 5 seconds, because that's the built-in legal skip. If the content is on YouTube TV with DVR enabled, record live shows and fast-forward past commercial breaks. Use the remote scrub or right arrow for jump increments. For some smart remotes, long pressing the right arrow jumps chapters. Make sure you know your remote's behavior. Once you practice these actions, skipping becomes a quick, consistent habit. To finish, enable ad-free playback via YouTube Premium for uninterrupted viewing. Make sure the subscription shows active in account settings. If skips or premium perks don't appear, sign out and back in, clear the app cache, or restart the TV app. That often resolves account sync glitches. If problems continue, reboot the TV or router and verify you're on the latest app version. One key troubleshooting tip: check the subscription status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.